This is the ovios 6-piece patio furniture set, and let's have a closer look at this one. This is a really beautiful set. It's in the gray wicker with the light gray covers. So let's take a really close look at the color on this. We are in the shade here, which is intentional because we want to prevent fading to this, and this doesn't have a cover over it. You can see it has a textured kind of look to it, which I really like. It helps to cover when we have birds and bugs and things that get on it. I really like these chairs that come with it. They are swivel chairs, so you are able to turn them while seated, and they also kind of rock back and forth, which is really nice. And then you have these 2 ottomans that come with it, and you can put your feet up with those, or you can also use that as more of a coffee table kind of set up in the middle. It comes with this nice compact end table, which is pretty convenient, and it fits nicely between the pieces. And then you have this main sofa, and you can see we've added an accent pillow as well. And it has nice tall cushions in the back. They are plush and supportive. I like to have a pretty supportive cushion. I think that it's you don't want like a really squishy one. You want one that's going to last. And then the back cushions are going to be a little bit softer and more forgiving, and the cushions on the seat are more of a firm cushion. So I think that's going to hold up a lot better. We have this in an outdoor application, and it is exposed to the elements, so I actually think it's a good idea to have one of these lighter colors, because you will experience some fading on any fabric that you put out in full sun and in the weather. We are also in the Northwest, so we do get a lot of rain here, and a really nice thing about these is that they seem to dry off really pretty quickly in the rain. That's an important thing for us here in the Northwest. So all in all, it's a really nice set. It's really expanded the living space into the outdoors, and it's just a really nice set to have here to enjoy the summer.